Hello and welcome back to our journey to YouTube fame, which is like normal fame but not as good, and gazillion airdom.
Today is National Jane Day. So it's an extra special day for me and he has to treat me extra specially.
I'm going to treat you somewhere.
And tomorrow it is my birthday as well.
Yes, tomorrow Jane can officially get on the bus for free.
No, I can't. I'll be 55, same age as you. We left you last time outside the castle at Malbrook and we only drove half an hour, and we're now at a little village called Rodimac.
Roger that.
And I must apologise for any French speakers because we've been pronouncing Lorraine wrong all this time, because it's not Lorraine, it's Laurent, so something like that.
Nobody cares.
I care.
Nobody
it's about
cares.
accuracy. Anyway,
Even French speakers have given up.
the reason we've come here is because tomorrow night and Saturday night we have a spectacular event. Time just for my birthday, and we've come a little bit early with the day before so that we can come to this air and Bagsy a space, because it's also used as the town's car park. And we're so glad we came early because
It's heaving.
it's heaving. But no doubt it will fill up tomorrow. So we're off now just to have a little walk around the village and see what's there.
I'm feeling like sunshine, like springtime, like something's in the water and I'm taking a deep dive. I'm feeling so weightless, like I'm gonna make it, and nothing in the universe can take this. I can see it clearly now, nothing gonna bring me down. I got my head held high, I'm on my way, and I'm following the
We're here, so we'll just go around there and then into the town.
brand new day, and I'm right where I belong, in my happy place. Follow me to my happy place.
This is where we'll be tomorrow night, setting it all up in the grounds of the Citadel. Should be a good night. It's a bit breezy today.
The lovely bright sunny weather has all but gone. We've had a little bit of rain overnight and so on, but it's not cold.
Still in t-shirts. And what a beautiful little place Rodimac is. We've really enjoyed it. We've been here 2 nights. Had a look around the village yesterday, which was, oh no, not yesterday, the day before, didn't we?
And yesterday, both
And
days.
yesterday. It was yesterday, was my birthday.
Quel âge est-il?
55.
Wow,
Like
she
I
got
said
it-
last
She
time.
got it right this time.
Yeah, so a beautiful little walled village. We came here because there's a free air, and also because there was a little bit of something going on last night,
Spectacular.
which promised to have fire.
We're naff.
No, it wasn't.
It was.
Look, you know, glass half full, glass half empty. 20 minutes to go before the grand spectacle, and there's not much going on.
We're the only ones here.
Well, there's half a dozen others. Then we realised we were in the wrong place, so we went over to where the bar area was, and there was a really highly skilled band of musicians playing. They were really good. Just went on a bit long.
You're going on a bit long. It were naff.
No, it wasn't. And then the bit that we really wanted to see was the fire bit. So we went back to the stage, nobody there. Went back to the foodie bit, and there was this strange creature thing with men playing drums. It was all a bit bizarre, but it did end with fireworks and flames.
The fire spectacle was a guy with a Catherine wheel attached to a scaffolding pole. That's how naff it were.
It was. Anyway, the locals enjoyed it.
This air's spot on. It's got water, waste, chemical toilet, bins, everything you want, and it's no cost. I keep saying free. It's a bit crass to be going on about things being cheap or free all the time, but it is what it is. It's cost nothing to be here. So we've been and walked to the boulangerie every day and spent a fortune on cakes and pastries and croissants.
So we're now heading, quite a long drive for us, 2 hours into the Vosges Mountains.
We might not do it all in one go though.
But I did pronounce it strangely last night, which is why that guy looked at me peculiarly. It's not Vosges, it's Vosges. And we're going to a town called Falborg, where there is a laundrette, because we are desperate for laundry.
I'm 4 days into the same pair of boxes.
It's not, it's fibbing.
The starlight rains from the galaxy tonight, breathing deep, golden bright, flecks gleaming in my eye. The dark chills my bones, but I'll be right here.
3.5 metres high.
By sunrise, they'll all disappear.
Bit further.
And the bluebirds fly southward to paradise, wing to wing, night by night.
What a lovely little cute place. Tucked away behind, I think it said these are old garrison buildings, I think it said. But it's really pretty.
How much is this per night?
This is free.
Why are you going right in my face like that? I haven't even had a proper shave.
Free, love.
Free. And are there some services?
It does say grey and black waste, but at the moment there's no water.
All my pain will change over time. All I can do is soak in the starlight. Yeah, 'cause one day
Looks like they're setting up for something.
Another spectacular.
So tonight we have a festival of music with percussion, salsa vibrations and rusted cans.
Well, a very good morning to you from Falsburg.
Falsburg.
Anywho, very good morning. We spent a very pleasant evening here. We're just transiting through. It's a great little park up. I'm not sure how many places there are. It's like a car park, but there's a motorhome service point, which actually is out of order. There's no running water to it. So there is a grey waste working, but it doesn't matter because we didn't need it anyway. But little lesson learned, always fill up, drop your waste, etc. whenever you have the chance, because the next place you're going to might not always work. Last night was dead quiet. We had a really good night's sleep. There was a little event on in the village, so we had a walk in, we got cake and baguette, usual stuff, and then went back later to watch a French child's entertainer. It was a bit naff, but there you go. We are now off to Biatch.
The other reason for being here was for the laundry, which Andrew was supposed to say.
I feel I've been sacked.
You have. And we are off to Biche, I'm going to pronounce for now until anything else, because they don't usually pronounce the T's.
It's spelled Biatch.
It's not. It's pronounced bitchy. But look at these roads we're going to be travelling on. Windy, wiggly ones. We're going to stop at La Petite Pierre and see if we can stay there the night. But if not, we'll just carry on. Look at that white one, even narrower. All the way up to Bichet. You've been looking forward to it, aren't you?
Yeah, because the people who don't drive choose the roads that the drivers drive on.
Of course. Well, yet another free air in an amazing location. We stayed underneath another citadel last night in Bichet, and there are 5 official pictures which are really very private, but also last night there were half a dozen that stopped on that grassy bit, and there's a car park down there as well, and you're allowed to do that. So all in all, another good stop. So we're off up there now for a walk around the citadel.
I'm feeling like sunshine, like springtime, like something's in the water and I'm taking a deep dive. I'm feeling so weightless, like I'm gonna make it.
Well, Biatch is definitely worth a stop. It's a great park up and a really grand little town, isn't it?
It is, and the citadel is amazing, and it's just unfortunate that we couldn't get the drone up because of the military zone, but it's a stunning citadel from the top.
Yes, I couldn't get it up because there is all sorts of flight restriction zones in this area, this whole area actually of France, so it's been a bit disappointing on the old drone front.
However, you can walk around it, which we've done, and if you didn't have a dog, you could actually go in the citadel.
But as usual, Buddy is holding us back.
There's the fort over there.
Word of advice, if you're going to town, don't go on a Monday because everything's shut.
We did manage to buy literally the last baguette from a boulangerie. It was like 12:30, wasn't it?
It was the only shop open, but everything else is shut, so it was dead quiet, but be better on a different day.
Well, that's it for this vlog.
That's the end of week 2, only another 7 to go, and it's proving very costly.
We have spent 0 money on accommodation for the last week.
However, we have just had to spend €2 whole to put water in.
So we're off now to the Alsace,
Alsacipans.
and we'll see what we get up to when we go and find the Maginot Line.
Probably something really boring. Thanks for watching, thanks for putting up with boringness, thanks for subscribing, liking, keep the banter bantering.